So another cool function that we have in the PIM is that it allows you to combine products and put it in the same master product. So right now we're on the single products page of your master data, and let's say you want to group these two products and you want to combine them in the same package, right? Let's say you have a listing on your Amazon store or in any of your channels or in your Shopify store that combines two products together. It combines two SKUs in the same package. So you could do this by selecting the products that you want to place in the same package, and then all what you have to do is click make combo. So once you click make combo, it will create a new product under combo products right here on the left side of the screen, and then it will allow you to group these two products under the same new SKU. So let's try and do that. So once I click make combo, now we're creating a new combo product and we give it a new combo SKU, right? So we can call it package 2, right? And then we select the status as active. We can give it some tags, for example, cars, toys, and then once you click enter, then this tag gets added to the product. Combo name, this is the title of the product. So we could say let's say you're selling a makeup kit and you want to combine a lipstick with a makeup brush. So you could do this by putting multiple single SKUs into the same combo SKU. So here, these are optional. You can put short description and description, but you don't have to. Here you can select and enter the price for the product. You can say it's $50. The length of the package. You could use repack dimensions and use a save dimension right here for the package. Or if you click custom shopping packages, then it will allow you to create a new package and enter the details from scratch. So right here it shows you that these two SKUs that we just selected got added into the main combo product. A cool feature that we have is that it allows you to add multiple quantities from the SKU. So for example, in the package, you can have 2 from this product and 3 from this product in the same package, right? So that will allow you to add multiple units of the same SKU in the same package. Okay, so let's say you have a sale from this product, or you're getting sales. So once you get a sale for this big combo SKU on the Shopify store or in your channel, then we're going to deduct from the inventory 3 units from here and 2 units from this SKU. Right now it's showing us that the inventory we have for these products is 0, so that means this product is gonna be out of stock anyways when you add it, because it has 0 in stock. Let's say you decide to change your mind and you want to remove one of these products, or you want to add more. So if you want to remove a single product from the SKU, combo SKU, all what you have to do is click on this trash icon right here, and then this will remove the product. And then if you want to add more SKUs, you just click on the add SKU on the right side of the screen, and then once you click on the enter SKU field, you could enter a SKU name that you have, and then it will start showing you all the SKUs in our system that have these words or text in it or letters in it. So we can select this product and we can say we want to add 3 units from it into this combo package. Once you're done, you will click add item. Now this product has been added here. So if we go to combo, then this product is gonna show right here, and it will say it's active, and then it will have the name right here. Also, a cool feature that we have here is that if you click on this arrow, it will show you the single SKUs that are attached to this combo SKU, right? So also if you click it, then it will redirect you to this product right here. It will redirect you to the a single product once you click it. So this is also another cool feature. You still have the same search function, the same filters, and the same action buttons right here. So you will be able to archive a product in the combo products list. You'll be able to convert. Let's say we want to convert this to inches, right? We could do this by just clicking on convert to inch, and then these numbers, since it's centimeters right now, should convert to inch. So once we click, now the dimensions have been changed and converted automatically from centimeters to inches. And now if we select a product and then we come here and we click convert to pound, for example, then this number will change from ounce to pound. Now the conversion has been successful, and this is how you create combo products